The wise Chinese Lao Tzu said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." With that said, I am Kev, and in this video I'm going to discuss the biggest travel mistakes and how to avoid them. Forgetting to get an international data, text and voice plan. If you plan to use a cell phone on your trip, of course you do, get an international data, text and voice plan. If you use your phone as if you were home without an international plan, you might get a bill at the end of the month the size of a small country's national debt. Unnecessary worries. It's normal to have questions or even concerns before embarking on a big trip. However, it's sad to see people needlessly worry about the isolated incidents they hear about on the news, which very rarely affect travel and tourism. Assuming all airport security is the same in every country. The security rules in different countries vary. You've got to know the rules wherever you are. Recently, I found out that some small tools allowed by TSA aren't permitted in carry-on in the UK. Traveling with only credit cards from just one account. Bank-issued credit cards from the same account, typically shared by spouses and partners, have the same card number. If one of the cards is lost or stolen, all the account's cards must be cancelled. While waiting for new cards, which could take at least several days while you're traveling, you'd have no card to pay your hotel and other large bills. Bringing lots of electronics without plug adapters. If you're bringing a smartphone, tablet, camera or other electronic gear, check to see if the countries you're visiting use the same plugs your home country uses. If they don't, get a plug adapter for your destinations. Also bring a 3-way extension cord so you can charge multiple devices with only one plug. Hey traveler, yes you! Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Planning too many activities. Again, your excitement could cloud practical planning that you end up having to do so much that it tires you out. Planning too much and staying too strict on your itinerary could wear you out half day in. Don't be too hard on yourself, the hustle of having so much to do can be stressful. Overpacking. Going on your trip can't be more exciting. You get all pumped up that you could lose some ounce of common sense and start packing more than you need. It's tempting to bring all your favorite clothes, pants and shoes. I'm not different. Packing too much is a hassle, not to mention you could get stuck with high baggage fees for accidentally exceeding the weight limit. Take out half the clothes you originally packed, you can't wear all of them after all. Lost valuables. You probably know to keep your most valuable items, jewelry, laptops, medications, with you all the time. But sometimes the flight crew asks you to check your carry-on bag at the last minute. Once the overhead bins start filling up, they need to gate check as many carry-ons as possible. Prepare ahead for this by packing a bag within a bag for your medications and valuables, which can be quickly removed and transferred into your purse or smaller handheld item. Expired passports. Always check ahead of time to make sure your passport is valid and won't expire before you return. You will also want to confirm the passport requirements of specific countries. For instance, more than 24 European nations require a valid passport for 3 months after your return. Israel requires your passport be valid a minimum of 6 months after your return date of travel. Arriving on the day of flight. Make sure to arrive ahead of time to the airport. Even if the flight gets delayed, you want to make sure that you are there when it takes off. My flight once got delayed by 7 hours, but I met a lot of cool people on the airport and we talked about our vacation and what we did. Alright guys, that's it for the 10 travel mistakes passengers make and how to dodge them like a pro. Feeling confident about your next adventure? Let me know in the comments. But here's the thing, travel wisdom is best shared. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for latest updates. Feeling extra generous? Share this video with your travel buddy who always forgets something crucial. Stay safe and be smart.